Hey guys, Frank from Adventures Outdoors. I hear you're looking to cross Newfoundland on your ATV, or maybe you're just thinking about it. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to prepare for that trip. Number one, stop thinking about it. Start planning it. I'm telling you, this is one of the biggest adventures of your life. The ecotourism in Newfoundland is second to none, and the scenery is spectacular. One of the big things is that your ability to drive from the east coast to the west coast without having to backtrack. That's a major benefit. But the scenery is unbelievable. Now you can decide to just stick to the T-rail and just go, and again I would go from east to west because the west coast is spectacular. Save the best for last. But you could stay on the T-rail and just go across, or you could do some excursions. There's lots of ways, lots of places to visit, lots of excursions you can do. We've gone on excursions from the Newfoundland Snowmobile Association, from their website and recommendations. We've gone and rented a car in Deer Lake and spent an extra day there and gone into Gross Morin. I mean, there's lots of stuff to do in Newfoundland, but the scenery is spectacular. So you've got to stop thinking about it and start preparing it. The first part of preparing a trip to Newfoundland crossing your ATV is to stop at Patrick Ryan's website, crossingnewfoundlandbyatv.com. I'm telling you, the guy is a treasure trove of information. He's on top of the entire trip. He's been doing it for years. He's I don't know how many times he's gone. He's gone numerous times, and he's got a ton of information. You can download the GPS tracks there from him. He's got all kinds of information, tips, and he's also on top of changes that are happening as well. So go to his website. It is an invaluable resource. The next thing I would recommend is watch videos. You can watch Patrick's videos. Hopefully you'll watch mine too. And it'll get you excited, it'll get you motivated, and you'll know what to expect by watching these videos. It'll take a lot of the mystery out of it if you want. Take a lot of the mystery out, but the adventure is second to none. So with the videos, they're a great way to encourage friends to come with you. Have them watch the videos, send them the links, recommend the videos. What we've done parties and had people over and watch the videos, and so whenever Conal is down, we're always watching the videos, and this year we have Del and Charlene coming with us. So I mean, just watch the videos. It does create some excitement for sure. Make sure that you book your trip early. Sometimes Newfoundland can be tough to get a hold of, get reservations on the boat or hotels. You can camp during the trip if you have a side-by-side or if you have the room on the ATV. We definitely don't. We stay in hotels and cottages, and they're on the trail or close to it, and a lot of the hotels have got paths right to them now because they're taking advantage of the ATV tourism and the skidoers. So it's just perfect, and finding a place to gas up is not a problem at all. So take that worry out and just start preparing this trip. So one of the things is to prepare, when you're preparing for this trip, is preparing your quad. Make sure it's well serviced before you go. But one of the things that got us excited about doing this trip when we first decided to do it was buying gear, buying decent rain gear, and here and there we bought things through the year for the quad, just specifically for this trip. And of course those things then we can use from there on in. But I think it's one of those things where you start buying some gear for your quad. It'll get the excitement going, and this is an amazing trip. A couple of thoughts. If you're going to be going across on the Newfoundland ferry, we go to Argentia first and across back through Port aux Basques. We get cabins both ways. I know it's expensive, but I don't want to get off the boat and be completely exhausted and then have to drive 8-10 hours on a quad. for me, and same thing with the 5-hour drive back to Halifax. I just think that it's important to get a decent sleep, so it became part of our vacation budget, if you will, to include having a cabin in the trip. So it's up to you, whatever you decide. You're going to meet some amazing people, have some amazing experiences. I can't stress to you enough how much fun this trip is. It's always better off done in a group with people. It's just so much fun, and it's a lot more, a lot safer that way as well. But there's always people on the trail. So if you're thinking about planning a trip to Newfoundland, comment below. Let me know. If you have any questions, I will reply to you. Just comment below, and I'll reply to you. I hope this video kind of helps, maybe motivate you a little bit. But you need to do this trip. If you have a side-by-side or an ATV, this is an incredible experience.
This is, I don't know, it's hard to say what my favorite spot is because there's so many. The bridge in Terra Nova by the waterfall near Cox's Cove. This place, I mean, the view here is spectacular. And some of the places like Serpentine Lake that we never made to this year, it's amazing as well. So there's so many spots you can come here and see that are just amazing. It's breathless. The view here, even though it's kind of cloudy, we never really got to see the sunset. It's definitely worth trying to get a good sunset here because I could just imagine how beautiful it would be.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.